has everything to do with what we do. If you listen to the words he used, balance, flow, that's just like a production line. There's process of information that has to be done the same way, and jobs have to be done the same way. It's not just how we balance and how we do production scheduling. It's also how we schedule our work and how we balance that load. Also, they're working on stuff that's not needed. It'd be like working on press 20, it's down. We're working on press 20. You have 27, it's the hottest job we have in the plant. But what do? We're working on 20 because it's not communicated. We don't have that information when the shop needs us to work on. Balancing the load. 67, same thing. Do we really need to work on 67? Well, we're going to figure that out. So where do we need to put our resource? We only have so much resource, right? So we got to balance that resource and make it flow, just like everything else in the plant. Okay? Bob?
Good morning. If you guys notice, or just one thing, Tim's reading from the Toyota book, and the quote today comes from Henry Ford. And just a little fact about Henry Ford. The creators of the Toyota production system, their inspiration was Henry Ford when he was back building the Model T over 100 years ago. A lot of the concepts that Henry Ford were using then, 20 to 40 years later, Toyota tapped into and said, he's onto something. So this one's from Henry Ford. And Henry said, time waste differs from material waste, and that there can be no salvage. The easiest of all wastes and the hardest to correct is the waste of time. Because wasted time does not litter the floor like wasted material. Okay?
So obviously we can rework parts when they're up front, right? But we can't recreate time, we can't get our time back, we can't get our resources back. Again, that's the one thing that's not changed for any of us in any part of our lives. So time is the most sacred resource. Okay? Any other safety issues or concerns? Okay, thank you.